Landon, this exercise is a very important scale. It's an A-E-I-O-U scale going over your 5 primary vowels. All we do when we sing is we go from one vowel to the next. Remember the rule with singing? Less down low, more up top. Smaller mouth placements down here. Be larger, more open mouth placements up top. Okay, have a listen to me. Relaxing here. A, C, heart, soul, you. Let's keep it going. I'm going to go by tones. Relax. A, C, heart, soul, you. Relax on air. Air, round, C, little smile, heart, oval, soul, little smile to a pucker, you. Watch your pitch, make sure we're stopping and locking into each mouth placement. Don't join them up together, okay? I don't want them to be slippery. Air, C, heart, soul, you. Let's keep it going. Relax. Air, C, heart, soul, you. By self. Relax. Round. Smile. Oval. Smile to a pucker. Relax. Round. Smile. Oval. Smile to a pucker. Now we're getting up there in your range, about halfway. I want you to start to go a little bit horizontal in air and C now, okay? So, air, C, heart, soul, you. Little smiles. Air, C, big smile. Heart, oval, soul, you. By self. Little smile, big smile, oval smile to a pucker. Little smile, big smile, oval smile to a pucker. 2 more. Little smile, big smile, oval to a pucker. Last one. Smile, big smile, oval smile to a pucker.